There goes, Chopper's Rule 1 here. Well, check this out. I've got all my Series 2 Hotwheels up on the wall. That's the Series 2s. Got the Series 1s underneath them. So that gives you all the Series 1s that I have as well. These are all complete sets. Every one of these on here are all complete sets. All my Star Trek ones, the Beatles ones. I just got a couple of double twin packs. So they're pretty cool. Yeah, I did put little Forrest Gump on there, maybe Tirana. But all the Beatles ones, both Beatles cars are on there. I got the Halloween cars are down there. The Ninja Turtles are down there. And then you got all the off-road cars and a full set of motorbikes, Hot Wheels motorbikes. So that's pretty cool on that wall. And then you got my other wall over here, which is just another one that I've had for a while. It's got a few cars on it. Speaking of a few cars, that box there's full of cars. 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 That one there's full of cars. That one's full of cars. You know, they're all full of cars. Even that thing over there is all full of cars. But I've cleaned my rack up a lot. I've got to take this rack down. I'm going to pull it all apart, shorten it a lot, and I'll make a better wall because I can fit the same amount of cars up here as what I got up on the other two walls. So that's pretty cool. I can live with that. Some more twin packs there. So it's just keeping it all going. But as I said, I don't know how many cars I've got. I'll be getting close to 5,000 cars again. I would imagine they'll be there. There's some Harry Potter ones down there. They're hard to find. There's some nice ones up there. Another full set of cars on this wall. This one's not as full as the other wall, but it's going to be soon. I have a space there because I'm missing one car. I hope to find that. So I have a full set of cars that I make up there. They're all Japanese cars on the wall. My Fast and Furious cars are on this wall too. I put my Ghostbusters cars on this wall in order this time. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I've got an absolute crap load of cars still to try and unpack and hang up somewhere. But anyway, that's it for me now. Like, comment, subscribe, and be kind to your mates. Bye for now.